Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix copying and forwarding is not allowed in this channel on Telegram. If you're using Telegram and you're facing the issue that whenever you try to copy or forward anything from any channel, you see an error that copying or forwarding is not allowed. So let's see how can you fix this error. You just have to simply open your Telegram app and here just select the channel in which you're facing the issue. Let's say I'm gonna select this one here. Now you just have to simply select the message. Let's say I'm going to select this one here. Just tap on this forward option and then select copy link. Once you have copied link, simply go back and go for search. And you just have to search for save restricted content. Here I have already added this spot. So you just have to search for this spot, and once you have searched, just tap on that. And here in this section, you just have to simply tap on start. Once you have started, you just have to paste your link here. And once you have pasted your link, you'll see the message on the screen. Now from here, you just have to keep a long press on the message, then select forward option. And now select saved messages. Or if you can't find, you can directly search. Once you have searched, just tap on saved messages, and it will be saved. So in this way, you can easily fix copying and forwarding is not allowed in this channel on Telegram. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye.